Yo lur, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Andrian Said, tetap di channel Bobes Gang. Oke lur, pada kesempatan hari ini lur, saya itu habis pulang dari rumah kakek nenek saya lur. Nah ini udah pukul 4:30 tapi suasananya mendung, koyo tresnamu mendung. Lanjut gas Nyore. Mau ngumpulin anak-anak Nyore tapi hawane mendung. Boh ingo lur arek nyandi iki nggo, sing penting budal gas dhisik. Golek. Hawane iki jan mendung tenan iki lur. Hawane mendung. Saya tadi juga sudah WA nih rekan-rekan untuk info Nyore tapi do balese wah mendung iki hawane ra support iki. Alame ra ndukung masih. Nah, iki ya wis aus gabut ya wis pepitan dhewe karo Nyore. Posisi saya ini berada di daerah Tolomadu lur, Karanganyar.
I don't claim to be the creator, but I'm a savior. I take the strange variables of human life and make something out of the crazy quilt that saves hundreds of lives.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want
few moments later.
Yoi guys, Nyore harus bikin keluar. Lasak jebole Mas. Sekian dari saya, banyak salah kata, saya mohon maaf. Bila Anda suka jangan lupa di like, comment, share, dan subscribe ya lur. Pamit undur diri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.